Oh, hello, welcome back. Here's how you can edit a YouTube thumbnail on InShot, a photo editing app where you can put a picture of your face as the uploader, and then afterwards you can add the YouTube icon even, and then some text that describe what the video is all about that's represented by the thumbnail that you edit. Let's start creating one. So all you have to do is to download the YouTube icon, the PNG image file of this YouTube icon. Tap on it, and then tap it, hold it, and then tap save image in, and then tap on save in photos, and then afterwards, and then go to photo. Once you've opened InShot, tap on photo, and then tap on new, and then tap on blank, and then afterwards go to canvas, and then set the ratio to 16:9, just like this, and then hit the checkmark icon, and then go to PIP, and then let's say if we select this picture of, a guy that we want to, crop so that only the subject appears. Tap on cutout, and then tap on the checkmark when you're done, and then you can, do some tweaks with the size even, just like this. And then when you're done, you can, color the background, for example. So go to canvas, and then go to background, and then choose the color of the background. For example, you want a shade of blue, just like this. And then when you're done, tap on the checkmark icon, and then afterwards you can add more elements into it. Tap on PIP, and then tap on the YouTube icon so that, this YouTube icon gets shown for the thumbnail, just like this. And then let's say if we want to resize it and then put it, for example, here, and then you want to add some text even, tap on the checkmark icon, and then tap on text to add some text even. And then you can tap in like how to do this, for example. And then you can actually change the font even to any font that you want, for example this. And then afterwards you can change the color even by tapping on the color wheel. You can even add some stroke by tapping on this one. So just like this, and then tap on the check mark when you're done, and then you can place it here, for example. And then you can add more text elements. Tap on the text icon, and then afterwards type easy and fast, for example, and then tap on the color wheel. You may want to tap on this one with the yellow box so that you can create a text box just like this, and then color it with any color that you want. Color the text with any color that you want, just like this. And then when you're done, tap on the check mark, just like this. Pretty easy. And that, folks, is how you can edit a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail on InShot, a photo editing app, just like this. It's pretty easy to do, and it's fast as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.